Hey everyone, today I want to share our experience with two awesome cafes. The first one is called UForestscafe, located in Canterbury, and it's free. If it's crowded, don't worry. You can park nearby and take a golf cart to the cafe. The place is beautiful with lots of boulders, trees, and a breezy, relaxing atmosphere. There are also ponds with koi fish in it, adding to the serene vibe. The cafe itself is cozy, has a man-made waterfall, a playground for kids, and wide variety of snacks and drinks. Also, there's a large field for your dog to run around, and often a live band is playing. Plus, the flowers everywhere are stunning, good for taking selfies.
I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown. Running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place. And now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb. 'Cause I just wanna be here in our hometown. Running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient.
The second one is named Serene Cafe, located in Chonburi Province, and it's free as well.
Then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind. I can't get up.
You'll need to walk a bit to get there, but the shaded path and the serene lake make it enjoyable. Inside, you can choose from a great selection of pastries and drinks. The mountain view is stunning, and there's also a koi pond with a little boat, perfect for taking pictures. There's even a piano in the center. Maybe it symbolizes beauty and isolation, unexpected creativity, or even unfulfilled potential. I don't even know. It's up to you to decipher. If you're stressed from work, this is a perfect place to unwind. Grab a drink, relax, and let your worries drift away.
The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah. I need that. Take it all in now.
Overall, it's a great place for a date, hanging out with family and friends.
Then I'll be alright.
Just to add, during our trip, there was an ongoing festival called Songkran. As you can see in the video, there's a car covered in chalk. We spotted it while driving home from our trip. We also made a quick stop at McDonald's for a quick snack or early dinner. I can't quite remember. Hope you enjoy watching, and for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe.